Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get big biceps at the gym. All we're going to use is 3 exercises, all right? I'm going to show you 2 that we're going to use TriCon sets with. All right, you're basically going to want to do 3 sets of all 3 of these exercises, 9 sets total. I'm going to take you through 1 to show you how everything is supposed to be done. First one we're going to do, I like starting with these. It's a good acclimation set. It's a way to get your biceps primed, pumped without actually initiating any core, your spine, or anything else. So what we're going to do is do lying bicep curls on the low pulley. All right. One point I would like to make here, if you are somebody that wants to work more on your bicep peak, work on the long head of your bicep, you can actually sub out a straight bar and use a rope. Use a rope with a hammer grip, all right? The pronation of your wrist is actually going to help target that long head more. I'm actually going to use a straight bar, show you what this is supposed to look like. A couple points. When you're here, you want to make sure your shoulders stay to the ground, pinned to the ground. What a lot of people do is they'll lift their shoulders on the way up. You want to keep them pinned down, okay? Keep them pinned down the entire time. Nice hard curl, stretch, curl, stretch. Focus on good contractions. 8, 9. I like to do 12 to 15 of these. Again, just get that biceps working. All right, 12 to 15. Basically what you would do if this was your full workout, you're gonna do 12 to 15 of these, rest 30 seconds, do your second, rest another 30, and then do your third. All right, once you're done with your 3 sets here, you're gonna go into your preacher curl, okay? All right, on the preacher curl, something I want you to focus on here is also your shoulders. Shoulders on the lying, shoulders also on the preacher curl. A lot of people here elevate their shoulders, okay? You actually want to lock your shoulders back, keep your scapula tight. All right, so you're going to get here and keep your shoulders back. On the way down, you don't want to bring your shoulders forward that way. So keep them back here, okay? You're going to get a nice stretch. So on the TriCon sets, we're going to do our 3 explosive, shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, mid-range. Here you're not just holding the weight. If you've done any of my TriCon sets, you're actually trying to bend the bar in half, okay? That's your goal and your mindset with this. Mentally, you're bending the bar, which is gonna allow you to create a huge contraction. Come back, go back into your second. Once here, mental image, bending the bar. Good contraction. Let's do your third. Once again, bend the bar, okay? You're trying to bend it in the middle, trying to bend each end down. That's what you're focused on. Three super slow. 1. Mind muscle connection is really important when you're doing these on the stretch and on the contraction. 1 more. All right, so that would be your first set. After the TriCon set, you want to rest about a minute. Do your second set, rest another minute, then do your third set, okay? That's your second exercise. Once you're done there, you're going to go straight into a dumbbell bicep curl with an offset grip. All right, what you're doing with the offset grip, you actually want to grab, let me show you, instead of grabbing the dumbbell in the middle, you want to go all the way to this outer end. So when you're doing your TriCon sets, you're actually having to contract that muscle extremely hard just to keep gravity from pulling the dumbbell down at the end. You want to keep it nice and neutral, okay? That's an offset grip. So again, 3 explosive, 2, 3, mid-range, offset grip. Contract. Nope. Mind-muscle connection, again, is huge with all the TriCon sets. Another thing to focus on when you're doing these is keeping your shoulders back. When you're working by, shoulders tend to want to cheat and creep forward. That's going to put a lot of strain on your shoulders, okay? Once here, you can do your 3 super slow. I apologize for the music, guys. Out of my control. Definitely wouldn't be on this type of music if it were up to me anyways. One more. Okay, 3 sets. So again, this was a TriCon set. So rest another minute, do your second, rest another minute, then do your third. 9 total sets. It should be a fairly quick workout, but it will give you a tremendous bicep pump. So again, implement these 3 exercises. That's how you do the TriCon sets if you didn't know how to do those. If you have any more questions about those or anything else about this workout, comment below, let me know, guys. Also, check out my Ripped After 40 program for men if you haven't already done so. Tremendous program, man, and it will provide tremendous benefits, especially with summer right around the corner. Spring coming up, summer coming up, a lot of shirtless days. So you want to be ready for that. So now's the perfect time to check out the Ripped After 40 program. You can click on the link in the description box to get all the details. But man, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.